Hey, good morning. It is Kerri with Roaming and Rolling, and we are in Canaan Valley, and we are getting ready to do the Canaan Trail, and Chris is airing down, but I have to show you this place. It is absolutely beautiful, magical, and of course it just snowed yesterday. Isn't this so pretty? So what you don't see is I'm the photographer in all of this. So I'm standing in the middle of the creek bed. I do the dangerous stuff. Not really. He did a good job. Anyway, look how beautiful this is. All right, now I get to hike out of here and not get soaking wet or slip and fall. Oh. Dun, da, 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 da. Not out of it yet. Dun, da, 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 da. I love this. I love this. So we are at Blackwater Falls.
That we are, yes.
And it just started pouring down snow. It's absolutely beautiful.
Pouring down snow? Yeah, pouring down.
Pouring down snow. It is pouring down snow. Anyway, there's the falls.
Oh, it's gorgeous. A lot of waterfall. Yeah. And folks out here too.
All right, so we're gonna make our way back up all these stairs.
250 more steps to go.
We should count them.
Take a little walk here to another overlook. Overlooks the. You said that, didn't I? Overlooks the Blackwater Falls.
Have it, honey.
Nature shit on me.
Let me see. Dip your head down again.